Next is the etc/mail vert user table file. If you need to forward email externally, this is the appropriate file. The destination address in the left-hand column is forwarded to a local or a remote address in the right-hand column. So I've forwarded email from the root account to my local account, and now this forwards email from my local account to the email address michael@example.net. I make any desired changes in here. I save the result. etc mail access, which sets up access roles or rules for this sendmail server. These 3 lines are included by default, which limit access to the local host system. But we want access to all systems on the local network, so I've added this directive here, which allows access from any system with an IP address on the 192.168.0.0 Class C network. This relay option means that any sendmail requests from the network are relayed outside the network. 2 options are reject, which means email from the noted email addresses would be rejected, and OK, which would mean that emails from the noted IP addresses would be allowed to go to email accounts on the local system. Once you've made changes to all files in the etc/mail directory, you can process them all, and a note is there to that effect on top of the sendmail.mc file with the make-c etc/mail command. At this point, the service should now be ready to handle email from your network. Just make sure that sendmail is started, and any other possible SMTP services, such as postfix, are stopped. And that's okay, because postfix wasn't running on this system anyway. Of course, I have to make sure that sendmail will start the next time I boot Linux. And of course, as I've done with other services, I need to make sure that port 25 is open in the firewall, which is easy enough to do with the security level configuration tool. And then, on local clients, I can update email software like Evolution and Thunderbird to use this local sendmail server as the outgoing SMTP email server.